maglalaro po kami ng ML. Yan. Sorry kapag maingay kasi meron nag-speaker dito, malakas-lakas kasi. Yan. Mag-install na tayo ng ML. Yan, babalik tayo sa ML. Hindi na po Roblox. Mamaya po tayo magro-Roblox. Yan. Click natin to. Wait lang. Naglalag yun. Click natin. Wait lang. Click. Click mo. And waiting for. Wait lang. Ito po yung mga kasama ko. Taga Brazil. Yan. Yung gamit ko po si Dairot. Yan. Uy, meron akong skin, guys! Wow! Ito po yung skin ko, guys. Yan po. Ay, sorry. Wala po akong diamonds. Mahirap po lang po kami. Yan. Kaya nag-aano po kami. Wait lang, guys. Wait lang. Meron ako kukunin sa loob. Guys, sorry, mali po ako. Yan. Yan, bumili lang po ako. Ay, kukunin pala ako.
Hani manghod.
Yan. Yan po. And, uy, Mobile Legend na. Uy, Christmas na pala.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. All troops deployed.
Okay, babalik tayo.
This to extinguish the light. Path to the abyss was my grand
Uy, asa na yung kalaban? Wala naman.
I will do anything for the abyss. Anything!
Ay, shit. Okay guys, wait lang. Naglalag po ako.
As I embrace the call of the abyss.
Mga million. Yan. Punta tayo dun. Nandun si Melissa. Hindi naman ako gaano kalakas, pero malakas yung puso.
The Empire is ripe for the taking. Enjoy their falsehood. How exhilarating!
Hello.
You'll show me the true abyss.
No button.
Sorry guys, nagsasalita po ako ng balik. Sorry.
Would not forsake me. I did not fall. I was reborn.
Ally has been slain.
Yes, try na kami.
With these
Lang
hands,
guys.
I will cut down my
Mamaya
last
i-upload ko na to. I-upload ko na to.
The path to the abyss.
Grabe sila. Ang lakas nila, oy.
You have slain an enemy.
Matay ako.
The darkness taught me to survive.
Sorry kung maingay. Lang. Lang po. Sorry kung maingay. Sorry kung maingay.
Anything for the abyss.
Uy, NFT yan.
Lakas nila.
Embrace darkness. Who would recognize someone as weak as you?
Kuha na kon content creator. Hey guys. Wait lang guys kung Ilocano po ka na. Sorry. Sorry kung maingay. Sorry kung maingay. Sorry kung maingay.
Cut down my last connection to the light.
Okay guys. Wala shit.
Have been slain.
Wala na.
The abyss would not forsake me.
Okay guys.
I did not fall. I was reborn. As I embraced the call of the abyss, bloodlines faded to dust.
Ally has been slain.
Hi guys, welcome back to my
The Empire is ripe for the taking.
Oy, si Gord. Si Gord.
You have slain an enemy.
Boo!
Kill. Your team destroyed a turret.
Maglalaro tayo ng Roller din. Tagal naman. So, yun guys.
Wait lang guys. Ayan na.
An ally has slain.
Yung target lock nyo na.
Killing spree.
You're not fit to be in my presence.
Wait lang. Wait lang guys. Walang papansin yun.
Cut down my last connection to the light.
Nag-grow garden po ako.
The abyss.
Tangina. Takbo na
I
tayo
will
guys.
show you the true
Nandun na yung mga
abyss.
minions. Uy, makanina.
This has no use for weaklings. You're mine.
Okay guys. Wait lang. Malakas-lakas yung value ng kasama ko.
How
Yeah.
exhilarating!
Your team destroyed a turret.
Ala, namatay naman ako ulit. Yun guys.
taught
Takbo,
me to
takbo.
survive.
Kalaban. Na. Takbo na Road. Takbo. Huwag yung papanasin yung nagbo-voice
The
over.
Empire is ripe
guys.
for the taking.
Yan guys. Yan naman. Ay,
Ally has been
ay,
slain.
tangina naman.
Enemy double kill.
Tulong! Ay, sorry guys. Namatay naman ako. Huwag dun papanasin yung nagbo-voice over dun. Kasi team Sammy siya. Okay guys. Tignan natin mag-build muna ako habang
I did not fall. I was reborn.
Okay guys.
Slain.
Let's go. Okay guys. Kawawa naman yung isa nagbo-voice over dyan kapag nag-go-garden, kapag update, hindi siya nakakasama kasi guys, nagmanak. Yan po ang reason.
I will do anything for the
Okay
abyss.
guys, ganun talaga. Ay, ito lang. Ito lang. Magre-recall tayo guys. Wait lang guys, cut ko muna. Okay guys, sorry kung nakat ko. Yan.
I will show you the true abyss.
Wait lang. Bye-bye. See you again. Subscribe and share. Like. Let's go. Bye-bye.